Oops, I did it again. I got another quick fix. So if you want to see what I got in, I think I requested an all red fix for Valentine's Day. Keep watching. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. I'm Andrea and I like to do clothing unboxings, subscription boxes, shopping hauls, try-ons, that type of thing. If you enjoy that type of content, then I invite you to hit that subscribe button. And if you hit the notification bell, then you'll always find out when I post a new video. If you like this video, please give me the like. That really helps my channel grow. And leave me a comment. So, this is a quick fix, and it did come pretty quick. It feels pretty heavy, and my bundle got turned on its side. Envelope to send back things that you don't want. I see that there are shoes in here. You do get a preview with Stitch Fix. They send you an email with a link to look at 10 different items, and you can choose up to 5. If you don't choose 5, then your stylist will fill in for you. You do get a dedicated stylist, and she sends you a little note. Marsha is my stylist. She's the best, and this is also the price list. So I did, I know I did choose, I think two items. So that is my bundle. That's the other side. I know I chose those red pants. It looks like they're jeans. And then there's also shoes in here. And I can't remember what I chose other than the jeans. So if you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I will leave my link below. If you use that link, you will get $25 off. So the $20 styling fee will be waived, and then they'll apply that $25 credit to anything that you choose to purchase. All right, let's see what is in the shoes. Oh, I think I did choose these. They are flats in this pretty purple color. So not red, but a very pretty purple color by CAMUTO. I do love a good flat. I love heels. I used to wear heels all the time when I worked outside the home, and just loved my heels. Love them. And now I just don't have as much opportunity to wear them, so I'm always looking for a very cute flat, and that definitely fits the bill. It's got that little tie and little, probably CAMUTO emblem there. All right. So off to a good start. Taking off the paper. Okay, on top, I do think this is another thing I chose. It is a blazer, and I just loved the color. It's got the turned up cuff it's also got like a little tab to hold the cuff up, and it's got that nice striped lining. It is a knit material. So I have several blazers. I don't wear them that much, but boy, this was cute. Okay, and then next up we do have the red jeans, and these are by Studio Blue. They are the Maysa mid-rise slim leg pant. So, trying to decide. I guess they're not necessarily jeans. I would say you would call them jeans. They are jean material. I do have a pair of, so a little bit of history. My very first Stitch Fix, I got this super cute pair of red pants. They were almost like, had like a satiny look to them, but they were too small. And I sent them back. And this pair also has like a little slit on the one side of the leg. And I decided I really wanted to have a pair of red pants, and I ended up buying kind of a dressy pair, and that was when I was losing weight, so they didn't fit for that long. But I have always wished I had kept those pants or tried to get them in a bigger size. So we'll see how these look. I do have a pair of red coated jeans by Liverpool. And then we have got cut from the cloth, high-rise boyfriend jean. And oh, I think I might have chosen this too. I love a double button. I have a pair cut from the cloth boyfriend jeans, but it doesn't have a double button. And then next up from VIGOSS is a pair of straight leg. I've been asking for black straight leg jeans. These are the Thompson mid-rise Tomboy jean by VIGOSS. And it's got like a little cuff. So those are cute. I have been looking for a pair of black boyfriend jeans. I never was able to find them. There was a pair, cut from the cloth had a pair. And I can't remember. I was hoping to get them on sale. I think that's why I never got them. Anyway, this all looks really, really good. And I'm a little nervous because I'm planning on doing a shopping weekend. If you're new to my channel, every once in a while I will go to a mall that's about 40 minutes away, and I will check into a hotel, and I'll shop and shop and shop and go back to the hotel and order room service or DoorDash and watch chick flicks. And then in the morning I order room service or DoorDash and laze around in bed, and then I shop some more. And I call those my shopping overnights, and I'm planning one this weekend. I'm a little scared though because everything looks amazing in this box. So I may end up not doing that much clothes shopping if I do go this weekend. I'm definitely going. I need the break. So how are you all doing? Just, leave me a comment. Let me know how your year is going. Yeah. Love to hear your comments, and I will show you my outfit of the day. I'm taking this stuff out of the shoe. I will show you my outfit of the day, and then we will get to trying on these great clothes. All right. Oh, I always want to say this and forget it. I just want to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I so appreciate it. It really means a lot to me. I know you've got a lot of YouTubers to watch, and when you choose to watch my videos, it really just makes me so happy. So just wanted to say thank you. All right, let's get to the outfit of the day. All right, today I am wearing a loft sweater. It's blue and it has these kind of sparkly buttons, and it's a Nick and Zoe tank underneath. And these joggers, I got them from a trunk club several years ago. I can't remember who makes them. And then my shoes I got from Nurse Rack. They're Sperry's, and they're super cute and comfortable. So I was just gonna read Marsha's note. Hi Andrea, I am so pleased to see that you enjoyed the last fix and that 3 items worked well for you. I dove into our inventory after you had a chance to review the fix preview looking for more red items per your request, and did not find anything that I thought you would love. The red pants from Studio Blue that you chose are a fun red option, so I hope that they fit well. For a fun look, try them with a hot pink sweater. And I have a hot pink sweater, actually I have a couple. I found a pair of black jeans from VIGOSS, so let me know if the wash is dark enough. It definitely is. I also noticed that you had the Catherine jeans from Cut and the cute flats from Vince CAMUTO in your freestyle shop, so I grabbed them for you to try. I'm excited to see how you style the shoes. The blazer that you chose will be a great staple. Try it over a crew neck tee with the red pants or jeans. Enjoy, Marsha. So the other thing with Stitch Fix, it's called Freestyle, and you can just go in there and buy things. You can also save things, and your stylist does see what you saved. And it's kind of like creating a wish list, because if they're available, she can order them for you and put them in a fix. So the other thing about Stitch Fix is that if you keep all 5 items, you do get a 25% discount. And because I am just loving everything I'm seeing here, that might come in very handy today. All right, let's start trying things on. I just realized when I was hanging them up that I have 3 pairs of pants, the blazer and the shoes, so no tops this time. Let's get started. Well, I was just dropping things all over the place. Dropped my ring light, and anyway. So first up are the Studio Blue red pants. These are a Stitch Fix exclusive, and I did go ahead and pair it with this hot pink loft sweater. And I would not have thought of putting these together, but I quite like it. So they have pockets. They also have the pockets in the back. You can't really, it's a little hard to see the little slit there, but I feel like they fit really well. What size are they? They're 26, and they're mid-rise because my belly button's here and they're just below that, so I consider that a mid-rise. They hit me right at the top of the foot, and they are a nice straight leg, so I don't have anything like this in my closet. Let me come up closer just so you can get a closer look. So yeah, that's them from the side, from the back. So definitely gonna consider these. All right, let's try on something else. Okay, so this was my bad because I saved these jeans and I obviously did not notice that they had some distressing. And if you've been watching my channel at all, you know I don't wear distressing ever. I may have to make an exception though because these jeans are stinking cute. So they are high-waisted, and I will come up closer, but I wanted you to get the full effect. They are cuffed, and I put on some Converse with them. Let me get up closer. So they've got the double button, and it is a nice high waist, and I just love this. I think that looks so cute, but I have not ever liked the distressed look. I may get on Cut From The Cloth and see if they have these in a clean version because I really like them a lot. And if I can't, I don't know what I'll do. It's not a lot of distressing. I mean, I think the ones where like the whole thigh is gone, they make no sense to me, but just love this waist. Are you on team distressing or team no distressing? All right, let me know what you think of these. And I'm gonna put on that blazer. So the blazer is super cute. Love this color. You guys know that I'm crushing on teal these days. Yeah, this is really cute, fits well. It's a nice material, that knitted. So cute, everything is so cute. All right, let's try on those black VIGOSS and the flats. I think those will look super cute together. Okay, last up are the VIGOSS jeans. They're called a Tomboy, and there was a little cuff, but I rolled it down just because I like the length of that better. These fit well, but I feel like they fit like a skinny, and I don't really need more skinnies. I'm gonna come up closer, adjust the camera. Yes, I feel like these fit just like a skinny, and I'm looking for something that is a little different. I have, I think like 3 or 4 pairs of black skinnies. So although the color is spot on and they fit well, I just don't feel like they're different enough from what I have in my closet to justify it. And they hit kind of right at the belly button. Yeah, that's what they look like from the back. I mean, they're not like a tight skinny, but I still feel like they're not different enough from what I have to justify them. These shoes let me take you into my mirror. I wanted to put the blazer back on because when I got in front of the mirror, I wasn't sure I loved the way that it fit. So I feel like the arms are a little, I don't know, almost like baggy. It feels baggy. And if I pull it in like that, I feel like this looks good. But like if I'm like that, again, I feel it's a bit of a baggy look. So I'm trying to decide what I think of these sleeves. What do you think? All right, let's take a closer look at the shoes. All right, don't mind my very dirty mirror. These shoes are really cute. That's from the side. But when I walk, that elastic back feels very irritating. So although these are just adorable, I think they are going to have to go back because I think that would just drive me crazy the way it feels when I walk. All right, let's do prices and a recap. So really good choices. Let's talk about each one. The stylist pick subtotal of all 5 items is $417. If I bought all things, it would take off 25%, $104.25, bringing my total down to $312.75. Okay, let's first talk about the Studio Blue Maysa Mid-Rise Slim Leg Pant in red. These are $64, and I think that's a good price. And those are a strong contender. They are probably the strongest contender right now. Next up, we have the 41 Hawthorn Natalie knit blazer in, they're calling it navy. I think of that more as a teal. And this is $88. And I'm gonna try this on again. I was not liking how big the arms looked. Like they just looked kind of baggy to me. And you can even see it. It kind of gathers there. So I'm not sure I loved that look. The cut from the cloth, Catherine Boyfriend, what is the full name? Boyfriend double button jean in indigo. These are $98, and while I loved the waist, the double button, I just don't like distressing. It's just, you know, it's just the way I am. And so as much as I like these, I think I am gonna send them back. And lesson learned that I need to just pay more attention. I think when I was looking, all I could see was the double button and how cute that was, and just didn't pay attention that there was distressing. The VIGOSS Thompson mid-rise tomboy jean in black. These are $68, which I think is a good price. But I just felt like they were not different enough from the skinnies that I have. And if I'm gonna add something, I want it to be different. And then last we have the CAMUTO footwear, Maysa leather flat in purple. These are $99. And you see how that is like elastic? It just did not feel good when I walked. So I'm pretty sad about that because I think these are really, really cute. So at this point, this is the strongest contender. And I'm not sure about the blazer. And I think if I'm not sure, it usually ends up being a no. I will try these on again tomorrow because I like to do that with items that I'm considering just to make sure that I still like them as much. Really good fix, really, really good fix. I'm very happy with the choices. And that's why we try things on, you know. But I will be going shopping this weekend, and so we will hopefully, we'll be able to get some things to do a video for you about that. All right, let me know what you thought of this fix. If you like this video, please give me that like and leave me a comment. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix again, I'll leave my link below, and I hope that you'll use it. And until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.